1955, the year many memorable events took place in India. The timeless icon Devdas hit the screens. One of the greatest athletes of all time, Jesse Owens, made a historic trip to the subcontinent. And Addison, an amalgamations group company with innovation in its DNA, set out to pioneer the manufacturing of cutting tools in India. The beginnings were modest, with the import of machine tools that was followed by the manufacture of machines to make high-speed cutting tools at competitive prices for the Indian market. In over 60 years, Addison has traveled a long way in its quest for excellence. All along, living up to its belief of keeping pace with changing times and technologies. Today, with markets that are evolving, materials that are revolutionizing change, and innovations that are pushing the boundaries, the needs of customers are changing too. Recognizing this fact, Addison has taken a step forward to help customers by using new designs and geometries for manufacturing tools that will give them an edge not only in performance but in cost too. From now on, Addison, in keeping with its innovative DNA, will not just offer tools but total tooling solutions for specific industries that are the nurseries for technology and growth in the years to come. Transportation, electronics, energy, infrastructure, medical implants, and defense. The focus of transportation solutions will be primarily on productivity and accuracy, on everything from cast iron to varied materials and composites, while the solutions for electronics will concentrate on micro-machining of PCBs as well as components. In the area of medical implants, our solutions will enable our customers to work on materials like stainless steel and titanium, whereas our solutions for energy and infrastructure will bring greater focus to high productivity machining for a variety of structures across materials ranging from structural steels, alloy steels and other materials. And, as is to be expected in defense solutions, the challenges will be machining on tough to grind materials like exotic alloys and ceramics. Addison now takes a step into the future with the launch of the Addison Innovation Center, a facility that will help you keep pace with engineering innovations in your field. Addison has invested in sophisticated equipment and software for measurements, design, simulation, manufacturing and testing. This means that the entire development cycle of ideation, design, prototype and testing is encapsulated into one single facility. Now you can get a tool with complex geometry made available to you at a competitive price. More importantly, Addison can offer decades of tooling expertise, not just at its center alone, but also remotely as well. Using our advanced communications platform, your R&D engineers can virtually develop tooling solutions remotely. This brings the Addison Innovation Center virtually next door to any customer in any part of the world. Come, let's partner in progress and technological success with innovative solutions. Addison dedicates this unique innovation center to all its customers. Addison. Tools for a changing world.